So here I'm going to introduce the individual parts of the robot. First, it is how the robot propels itself and the basis that everything is built on. This is the RC boat, and it's how the robot propels itself forward. And then we also have the controller for that as well, and a mount which mounts to the back of the controller, sliding on like so. It doesn't impact the capabilities of the controller. However, I can slide a phone in here and then view the footage from the camera, which I'll demonstrate later. And here is the main mechanism in which the camera is mounted to the RC boat. It's a two-part system. So this part, the first part, has two attachments. So this thing on the back here is to attach using tape to this the cables here, and this part is to attach to the RC boat itself. And as it slides on, it uses friction and then these 3 points to clamp on, and it's quite a stable mount. And we've also tested it for buoyancy and ensured that the placement of the camera on the bottom as well as the cables here would not impact the movement of the RC boat. And how the two parts connect to each other is using screws like so, and so slide into any of these holes. And the reason that this mechanism is in two parts is to make it much easier to adjust the length of the mount to customize to each swimmer's needs. So if I wanted to film some deeper water, underwater kicks, for example, I could just slide it into a longer length like so. And the bottom part here is to attach to the camera itself using tape, as swimmers could be on this side or they could be on this side, and that makes it much more flexible. Lastly, we have the wireless transmitter that transmits signals to the phone, which attaches using this cable right here, and it uses Velcro to be attached to here, like so. So here's a demonstration of how the robot looks assembled. As you can see, the Velcro attaches to the wireless device on the top, and the mounting device clamps to the RC boat. And then at the bottom, the camera and the cables are taped to the mounts, and the screws are put in. And to show that it is quite balanced, we can stand it like this, and it wouldn't fall. So yeah. And after I turn this on and I plug it into the camera, I can see it on the controller with the stand here, that I can see myself. Hello, hello. And I can also press record or screenshot or, get a light, etc. So yeah, and that's how the device works.